Sales tax and excise tax. Have you noticed you pay tax when you buy something? Well, we need to look at how those taxes impact the entry to record a sale, because these taxes are liabilities, aren't they? The store or the employer also collects taxes and then has to remit them to the government, don't they? So they're like the tax collectors. So let's take a look at a company that bills its customers for $490,200. Now there's some excise taxes on that. So for example, when you buy tires, you have to pay not only sales tax but an excise tax on those tires. So some products have excise taxes specifically, and others just charge a sales tax. So let's see how we would do this. If we billed our customers, that means that during the period we debited accounts receivable for the $490,200. We know part of that amount is for sales or our revenue. We know part of that is for excise tax payable. And we know part of that is for sales tax payable. But this amount contains all of it, doesn't it? So how am I going to break it out? Well, I know that the $490,200 includes 100% of the sales plus 9% of its excise tax plus 5% of sales tax. So this amount is 1.14, or 114% of sales. Now you're saying, how do you know this again? 100% is sales plus 9% plus 5%, which is 114%. So if I take this amount and divide it by 114%, or 1.14, I'm going to get my sales. And so my sales, if I do my math correctly, is $430,000. Now, I know that my excise is going to be $430,000 times 9%. So my excise tax comes out to be $38,700, and my sales tax is going to be $430,000, the sales, times 5%. So 5% of $430,000 is $21,500. So when I make this entry, notice the full amount is $490,200. The sales are $430,000. The excise tax is $38,700, and the sales tax is credited for $21,500. So notice I can break down my accounts receivable into its sales component and its various taxes by using this method.